Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the device and files so you don't lose anything. Backup important documents now to cloud or external storage. Once done, download the Chrome OS recovery image that matches your exact model. Make sure you have a reliable USB drive or SD card and a charged battery above 50%. If your machine supports developer mode and you need it, enable it now. Otherwise, confirm you can enter recovery mode with the recovery key. Next, you'll write the image and boot into recovery to start flashing. Use the Chromebook recovery utility on another computer to write the downloaded image to your USB or SD. This verifies integrity and prepares bootable media. Once that's complete, power off the Chromebook, insert the media, and press the model-specific recovery key combo to boot into recovery. When the recovery screen appears, confirm the correct image and follow prompts to begin flashing. This step replaces the Finally, complete the flash and verify the system boots cleanly. Follow on-screen prompts until the utility shows success, then remove the USB or SD only when prompted and reboot. This ensures right operations finished correctly. After reboot, run initial setup and check Chrome OS functions and network connectivity to verify the flash succeeded. If something goes wrong, try the recovery again with a different USB drive or re-download the image to rule out corrupted media. These two fixes resolve most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.